Donald Trump is currently 8 years old. 10 years ago, he was half as old as he is currently. Currently, how old is Donald Trump? Right. So first and foremost, we form an equation from the age problem by identifying the key details in the problem. So let S be the current age of Donald Trump, right? So 10 years ago, Donald Trump's age would be X minus 10. That is the current age of Donald Trump subtracted from 10 years or 10 years ago, right? So Donald Trump's age 10 years ago would be X minus 10. So 10 years ago, he was half as old as he is currently. He was half as old as he is currently. So currently, 10 years ago, he was half as old as he is, would be represented as X minus 10, which represents Donald Trump's age 10 years ago, equals, so 10 years ago is represented as X minus 10. He, Donald Trump, was. The was represents equal to, right? So whenever you see is, was in a word problem or a practical word problem, it means equal to, right? So he, Donald Trump, was equal to half as old as he is. And if you could recall, we let the current age of Donald Trump to be X. We represented it as S. So 10 years ago, he was half. 1 over 2 represents half as old as he is. So as old as he is represents some level of multiplication, right? As old as he is. So it signifies that 10 years ago, he was half his current age. So he was half as old as he is. So as old as he is attached to half of his age 10 years ago. So the equation formed would be X minus 10 equals 1 over 2x, right? So let's quickly solve it. So there's 1 over 2 here, right? So these 2 would multiply each side. So 2 would multiply the equation x minus 10 and multiply itself, right? So 2 multiplying x minus 10 all in bracket equals 2 multiplying 1 over 2x, right? So this 2 will cancel this 2 out, right? Remaining 2 all into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 1 multiplying x, 1 times x, which is simply x, right? So we are going to get s as 2 multiplying x minus 10 all in bracket, right? So 2 times s will give you 2x. 2 multiplying minus 10 will give you minus 20, right? So we are going to have 2x minus 20 is equal to x, right? So when you reach this side, all you have to do is to group like terms. So like terms would be at one end and unlike terms will be at the other end. So 2x and x are like terms because there's twice s here and there's just one s here, so it's basically x, so they are like terms. So 2x is a like term to x, so this x, which is positive, will cross the equal to border, and whenever it crosses, it will change its form. So x, being a positive number, would change its form to become a negative number. So that's why we have 2x minus x. Here we have minus 20 here, right? So this 20 is a negative 20. So a negative 20 crossing the equal to border would change its form and become a positive. So in all, we are going to get 2x minus s is equal to 20, right? So 2x minus s is x. So 2x means the x's are 2, right? So you have 2 x's and you subtract 1 x from it, you are left with just 1 x. So therefore s is 20 years old, right? So currently Donald Trump is 20 years old. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.